Hi, my name is Angel Peoples. I'm a third grade teacher at Foster Elementary, and tonight we're celebrating iReady. We want our parents to be able to help their child and work together with them at home. So we think as a community, if we all get together, it can only benefit our students. They're going to be getting benefit at school and at home. We're going to help the parents learn what iReady is, why it's important, and how to help their students at home on the program as well. We have food, drinks, dessert, and one of the highlights we're having a raffle. We have wireless headphones, a tablet, and Beats by Dre earpods that are wireless, and among other things that we're also raffling out. And we're just so excited that everyone came together to work together, and we had a great turnout, and we're just so excited about this night.